Hi Chandra, I'm back.
Yeah.
Okay, so after seeing these front-end transactions, let's go for SPRO, Chandra. And we'll see the configurations that are to be maintained at the work center level and the configurations that are to be maintained at the routing level. Is that okay?
Okay. Yeah. So first, you start with work center
Yes.
level.
Right?
Yeah.
You see this, just give me 1 minute, Chandra. You have the option to create or define the control key in the work center tab, and at the same time, the same control key you can have the operation data. Define control key.
What is the difference?
Exactly the same. I really don't understand, so that's why SAP has been given the option.
Okay.
Of course, there are so many cases like this. In the material master, we can define it at many ways, right?
Yeah.
It can be in the production, it can be in the material master, it can be some material management also. You can have the option of creation of the material, something like that. Able to follow me? This is also a control key. Of course, there is a, I mean to say you can maintain at this level or that level, one and the same only.
Yeah.
These are the different control keys. We are seeing it, this is the control key. If you see here also, there is the option of creating the control key, or at the work center level also. Now we fetch it from the routing data, right?
Yeah.
The same I can fetch it in the routing data, which is available in the work center itself.
So what it controls? Control key PP01.
Yeah, coming. I need 1 more minute.
Yeah. The reason why I'm asking, there is more than one control key defined, right?
No, it is one and the same. It is one and the same.
No, like PP01,
different
PP02.
control keys. You mean to say different? These are the different control keys.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Just give me 1 minute. I'll come from the first step of the work center. I'll come step by step. That will be more easier for us. Is that okay? So that we won't miss out anything which is important.
Yeah.
Now I'm going for. Let me open my notes. Just I'm putting it into the camera. Define the work center category. When we are creating the work center, the machine is asking Sattat what is the work center category here.
Oh yeah, you are creating 1 minute. I'll write down.
Yeah.
Define work center.
Any specification?
Okay, yeah, got it.
This work
No,
center
are we in easy access or?
This is the easy access screen.
Easy access. Okay.
I'm maintaining both screens so that where it is reflecting the easy access in order to open it, I maintain the 2 screens.
Okay.
I'm opening 2 screens just basically to understand this particular configuration where it is reflecting.
Okay.
I hope you are able to follow me.
Now I got it, yeah.
When I'm creating the work center in the easy access screen, system is asking what is the work center category. The moment I select the F4, there are different options available. But from where these options are coming, where we have configured these options, that I want to see.
Okay.
The meaning of these options and then what are the different this one, it is defined here. From here it is picking it up.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Our concern is of course up to here 1, 2, 3, 4, that is machine group, labor and labor group. This may be used by other people, not of much to the specific to people. Is it clear to you, Chandra?
Yeah.
Our concern is from where this work center category has been defined or how the system is picking it up, where I can define the new work center category or something like that, it is from here. Follows?
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Yeah.
So each is having some field selection group. Of course, this field selection group, and I'll just give you some more time so that I'll explain to you how this field selection group is. Basically, I'm talking about the creation of work center category where we defined it. Here it is defined in the general data. Based upon the defined configuration, I am able to pick it up from the easy access.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Coming to the defined field selection.
No, 1 minute. Open that one.
Easy access.
No. In SPRO. Take category 1, 001, 002, right? Can we open further? No.
No, if you want, you can maintain it, but not only the simple test, we have to assign the other screen sequences, everything also has to be assigned. Chandra.
Okay, okay, okay.
Generally, our concern is machine group, labor and labor group. That's what I told you.
Yeah.
99.99% of the cases, TP discussions are related with the machine group, labor group. That's it.
No, here like it says field selection some.
Yeah, I'm
something.
coming.
Okay, okay.
Just beginning. I didn't, just up to so far I discussed only up to this.
Okay.
I need to come to this, I'm coming to that.
Okay.
Is it the field selection group? Here it is maintained as 001 and 001, right?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Coming back. Here you can define that field selection. In this field selection, these are the different fields available. And for example, in the basic data, these are the different fields available. Coming to this, I'm coming to the easy access. We are now in easy access, Chandra. I am in the creation of the work center, Chandra.
Yeah.
In the basic data, these are the different fields available. These fields, I can make it as a mandatory, display, optional, or hide, depending upon the settings of this particular field selection.
Okay. These are all available. Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Able to follow me?
Yeah.
We are in the different screens, so that whether if you want to maintain anything to the, let me take one example and then we can take it.
Yeah.
Suppose, for example, usage is there. This is the usage, right? Currently, it is input report. It is basically input. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
For example, I will make it as a required entry.
Yeah.
Let us see the effect of this one. I am going to the easy access screen. Once again, CR01. And once again, I am using the same machine number because I didn't save it. Of course, this is copied it from the default values. That is why it is taking it up. Otherwise, this is a mandatory entry.
Yeah.
Better, I'll take it as some other field which is we can visualize it more easily.
Yeah.
Let us say supply area.
Uh-huh.
You are getting my point, Chandra. What I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Number two, define the field selection, the basic data, and this do not have the significance because it is copying it. I will take it as a supply area.
A quick question here in the screen.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Yes. Oh, can I open it once again, Chandra?
Yeah.
No issues, absolutely no problem. Welcome. You are welcome.
No, not this one. Oh, no. Once once you save it, it pops up the window, right?
Right. Can I save it? Otherwise, we will do one thing, Chandra. Let me explain to you. I will come back. I will do one more thing. That's not an issue.
Yeah.
Just give me a minute. That means regard the transport level, you have some question, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll just hold on for that question, Chandra. Just give me a minute.
Yeah.
Earlier it was an optional entry. I made it as a required entry now, right?
Yeah.
Supply area. Let us see what is the effect of it. You remember the difference between the optional entry and the required entry? This is the required entry, right?
Yeah.
And this button is the optional entry, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm coming once again for CR01 after the changes. Go for same Chandra. Go ahead. And in the work center basic data, you see this Chandra. Supply area is becoming as a required entry, right?
Yeah.
This is the required entry, this is the required entry. It is coming as a required entry because we made this supply area as a required entry.
Yeah.
Supply area, we made it. We reverted again. Supply. Okay, no problem. Or otherwise, I will do it as a display entry. Okay, I am changing again, Chandra.
Yeah.
Supply area in the basic data screen. I am changing it as a. Here you have some question.
What my question is like in real, you schedule transports, right?
Right.
What do you call development group gives this transport number.
Yeah. From the configuration server to the quality server, from the configuration server to the production server, the movement of the transports or something like that.
And the process team, what they do, they create RETL documents. and
Right.
they fill this information. It goes to the architects. Once they approve, it will go to the change management.
Basically, the research.
After
Right.
that, the change management group approves everything is okay, like FRS, TDS,
Right.
RD, FDS are
Right.
approved. Then they send it to solution manager group. They will deploy.
Right.
So
Right.
here, what I am seeing, it is becoming effective immediately because the same environment.
Right. You are right, Chandra.
Yeah. Okay.
Same environment, and that is basically the demo system.
Okay. 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 Yeah.
See, in the real time, no, what happens is the purpose of that one is we cannot do the changes just like that, right? If I do the changes, no, other person don't know what I did the changes, why I did the changes, is it essential or not, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
SAP is not used by 1 or 2 persons. There will be so many people who are using across the same configuration with the same settings. If I do the changes of my own way and the system will allow just like that, then there will be so much tampering will be there in the system, right?
No editing, nothing. Yeah.
Yeah, obviously, and it will go to havoc because I did one change and Chandra did some change, Raj did some change, Steve did some change. Everybody they are doing their own changes, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nobody knows what is happening as such. So in order to control those changes effectively, there is a system called as a solution manager. So whenever there is, do you have any idea on that one, Chandra? How the solution manager access and how the steps will be carried out or something? Any idea?
I don't have any idea, but I give like I get requests and I approve them and change like ready for transports.
You are right, Chandra.
Reviewed all those. I those changes I route them and approve them.
That's right, Chandra. Yeah, basically, so you are right. So whenever there is a configuration change is there, suppose I am doing any sort of a configuration changes, immediately I have first of all I have to create a GREC for that one. That is in the solution manager there is a request form. We will create a GREC from the business. There is a CA ticket. Of course, that terminology may vary from plant to plant or client to client or organization to organization.
That is correct.
The first thing is why we need to change, or where the request is generated is nothing but is a CA ticket. Ticket in the sense that there is some issue. In order to address that issue, I am creating these changes.
Yeah.
So that is called as a CA ticket. With respect to the CA ticket, I will create a solvent ticket or GREC in the solution manager.
Raj, quick question.
Yeah.
Because this is very critical in any big environments.
Yeah.
Do you suggest in a book like a brief introduction about all this transport mechanism, how you move all those? Is it part of solution manager or any other?
It's a part of the solution manager. Better I'll take it up after some time, Chandra, once we are familiarized with this. Basically that is change the transport mechanism, how can be done. I'll just explain to you how can it be done.
I get confused like when I call them in front of me, that development group, they change that like tree structure, here is the transport number, all those they give, right? 15-20 minute session is more than enough for me. Like I can.
Sure. Yeah, you have the idea, definitely. It don't take much of time. Just refresh ourselves or mutually discuss across, then we will do that one. You have the idea. The moment you are saying that I am approving and then it is getting the solution, you are aware of it. Let's discuss that over 15-20 minutes.
I have a quick question here also. One more minute. So the symbol is attributes. So that means it shows the history, who made all those, right?
Right.
Here. And what is one request? One request meant
I'm creating
my own.
I'm one request, or I want to create. Suppose I create a request. For example, I will create one more request, Chandra. Here in this request, I will first generally the project name. Say I'm using some generally first is what is the landscape in which landscape you are working, and that is the project name basically, and I will take it as PA2. PA2 is my project, say for example, or otherwise client with PA2 or something like that, and followed by PP and followed by a request number of on which request I am taking. This is the GREC number, generally they will mention it, and what is the changes that we are doing it. The changes I am doing it for change of supply area. Or some brief description about the changes.
Okay. So next time it will appear by default, right?
This is basically the description of your request, Chandra. Why you are doing the request? Why you are doing? What is the in which landscape? Which is the module that has been done? On which change request has been done? What is the change that has been done? Right?
Yeah.
And this is who is the it will be requested based upon your user, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And it will generate one number.
Okay.
And
that number is called transport number, right?
Yes, exactly. Just give me 1 minute because we are in the discussion. That is why I'm just telling. It will generate one more transport request number.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, you have the idea, but only thing is we need bit of discussion. That will be more than enough. Okay.
Yeah. I saw some books like 400 pages. It's I don't know. Right. I know everything, but just
yeah, I agree. I agree with 400 pages just to go through the yeah, I agree with you, Chandra. I can understand your limitations of time or you are busy with schedule.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see this is the new request number that has been generated and it is recorded with this name, right, Chandra?
Yeah.
I can, okay, just let me, give me 1 more minute. I just, give me a minute. We created one request.
Yeah.
Now you see the changes of this request. Yes. What is the change we made? We made the supply area as display, right?
Yeah.
Able to see this?
Yeah. Display.
Yeah, give me 1 minute.
Yeah.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, good morning, sir. Can I catch you within half an hour or something like that? I'll come to, you told me that the website, right? Okay, sure. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, Chandra. I'm sorry.
Oh, no problem.
So this is becoming as a display mode, right? You are able to see this, Chandra?
Yeah.
This is how to control the each field in the particular work center. How to do that? I'm reverting back the changes to optional mode and save it. Every time I'm saving, the moment if you want to save all the changes into the same transport request, I didn't change it. The moment I want to change a different create a new request, then I will go for a own request is it will take it the old request only, Chandra.
Yeah.
The moment I want to create one more request, yes, I can create one more request.
So for each change, it's better to create a new one, right? Then only it's easy to transport. Make transport.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. That because the descriptions are changing, right?
Yeah.
Underscore Varman. Chandra, if you don't mind, today I'll take it up a bit earlier. Just I had some bit of work. If you don't mind.
No. We can stop here. One more thing. One question. Tomorrow evening means Saturday morning, right?
Yes. Saturday morning of yours, which is my tomorrow evening. That means tomorrow, basically, tomorrow is Saturday evening of mine is nothing but your Friday morning, Chandra. Tomorrow,
like tomorrow also using the same time, right?
Okay, tomorrow also the same time. Okay, we'll go ahead with it.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
Give me 1 minute, Chandra.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, actually, I just in between some call or something like that.
No, that's fine. That's fine. We covered enough. I can recollect what I have to practice also.
In the SC10 transaction, you can see all these changes, all the transfers, Chandra.
Oh, SC10? Okay. Yeah.
Of course, we'll take it up this transport mechanism. Just give me some more time so that I'll explain. Of course.
Oh, no hurry. Like maybe at the end, just for.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that's. I'm going in a certain flow, so we'll continue in the same flow, Chandra.
Yeah.
Basically, I'm creating the master data, all these things that I'm getting.
Yeah, here I always get confusion.
Able to follow me, Chandra? These are the few new requests that you created, right?
Yeah.
That means just now we created, right?
Yeah.
we'll take it up this Chandra. Give me some time so that the subtask has to be released first, then main task has to be released, and how it is going to be reflected. That I'll just give me some more time.
No hurry. Yeah.
Can I stop the today's session up to here, Chandra? We'll continue for tomorrow the same timing. Is that okay for you?
Yeah, same time.
Yeah. Thanks, Chandra. Please don't worry.
No problem. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Yeah,
Take care.
right, yeah.
And have a great evening for me.
Yeah. Thanks.